Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for the Mercy Tiara kits, and I am using the June 2024 kit called Sunshine, which I think is just a blast of a name. It's so cute, and I really want to use the sketch this month. We've just got a background, 3 large strips, which I think are fun and fantastic. Photo stuff, and a big old title up here, so you can leave space for a title, which I like. So let's see what else to show you. All right, let me explain my photo just a little bit. This is myself. That's my mom. And she met my husband and I up at a place called B Nectar, like the capital B dot Nectar. And I think it's Nectar. Anywho. And guess what? Look what we have in our kit. We have got from the Fairy Garden collection. It is called Be Happy. So I was like, y'all, how fun is that? And literally, we were here last weekend. And if you look, even the beams are honey colored in there. So I think it's meant to be. I'm going to use the white cardstock that we have in our kit. It is called Avalanche. Perfect, crisp, clean white cardstock. I already have delicious looking scraps from my last layout. I always love a good scrap. I was like, ooh, can I incorporate this golden color? We'll see. Probably not, but we'll see, because I'm going to follow the sketch fairly well. Now, I will go ahead. I think I'm out of white cardstock in a kit, so I'm going to go ahead and grab a Frankenstein piece. I always save the ones from when I cut files. So I'm going to go ahead and just use a scrap piece of cardstock and do that. Now, let's see. I think I'm going to use this just as a background. I'm not going to matte this one. I think that would be okay, because, the last one I matted. So every once in a while, you got to shake it up a little bit. Now, let's see. We'll go like this. Get a nice trim on it. It'll be crisp and white. Now, this is the same piece of paper front and back. So I'm going to take one away. I just want to show you how perfect it was. And what I want to do before we do a cut on it is decide about how big we would like it to be, because we want room for a title and we want room down below to kind of mimic the vibe. So I'm going to go about, right there. It was very, very technical, but pretty much I'm going to try to go right between these B's, kind of. I'm going to try not to chop them in half too much, because, that's sad. All right, then we need space. So we know that this is 12 inches, right? So if we cut off, what if we cut off 1 inch? Oh, that's gonna leave us with 10. It's gonna leave us with 11. So let's see. If I want to see, yeah, that's gonna be about perfect to keep up with the sketch. All right, I'm gonna cut this into 3s, but what I'm gonna do is have this be my center color, so I have it broken up. I think that would be super cute. Or, I don't know, we'll faff with it in just a moment. So if we have 11, sorry about that, a little coughing fit, very nice. So if we have it at like about an 11-inch piece of paper, oh, I kind of like the deeper color on the outside. I think that might work. What did we do with the photo? Okay, here's the photo. And okay, that's going to be super cute. It'll be bright white. I think the title, there's nothing in here probably that's going to read Be Nectar, so I'm going to go ahead. Or do I do Sweet as Honey? That would be cute too. So cute. But I don't have tons of honey kind of embellishments. So let's see. Oh, that's so cute. Celebrate this. That would be cute. Okay, we're going to build all that stuff up. I think we'll just go with Be Nectar for the title. And it would be a capital B, right? And guys, that's not even on there yet, so I don't even know the what's what. I'm looking to see if I can use anything for like a little period on there. We'll see. So NEK. We're going to get these pieces out, and I'll straighten them all up in just a second. N. What could be more boring than watch somebody like faff about, as I'm thinking it through and we're chatting. But that's okay. It's just what we're doing right now. And people are like always asking me, can't you just take it out of the package? Yes, I could, but I'm not. It's just what I do. Okay, so Bee Nectar is actually a meadery, like MEAD. And is it Nectar or Nectar at this place? I'm gonna look it up. So it's a meadery and it's in Ferndale, Michigan. So I thought that might be fun because I actually lived in that city. BNEKT, Nectar. I actually lived in that city until I was 15, or went to high school and all that there. Elementary, middle school, high school. Be Nectar. There we go, which lets me know I want to bring in some of this deep green, some of the blue, some of the yellow. I love it. All right, I need to get these pieces down. I need to mat this, and then I need a plan. Part of the plan should probably come in. See how I have these other pieces? I might be able to come in, ooh, with the frames. Oh my gosh. And we'll make, that reads the best. We have some of this really pretty blue. Do I want to have the 3? Kind of, because I like things in 3s. Okay, that makes me happy. We have a plan. Now, what I could do is back the frames in bright white as well. So it's going to give us a place to do some more embellishing. So these pieces are tacked down and I'm liking the way it goes. I decided that I needed to get a bit of stitching around my blocks to give it a little added zhuzh. So we're good there. And I ended up with 3 frames going with the deep green and baby blue. So fun color scheme we have going. Totally would love to bring in some of the cute pinks and all of that. So that would be fine. That would be fine. Ooh, kind of love that baby blue car. Reminds me of my mother, so that works. She had always had classic cars when I was growing up. So that makes sense to me. She actually had, it was a baby blue Caprice convertible, white top, yada, yada, yada. I think it was like when I was 13 or so. That was a pretty one. So that'd be kind of cool right there, but I love that word the best. So right now, cute little car gets to go there and it works with my color story. Now, let me see. I want to make sure on all of my little chipboard pieces, what I'm vibing. Right now I'm good. Ooh, Cherish Today's cute, but I'm using so much bright white. I'm not going to bring in off white yet. I like the process of elimination. It works for me. Ooh, gosh, these are gorgeous. Okay, let me see. Ooh, I keep saying, ooh, look at this. Ooh, look at this. All right, so we've got some of that same color story. I might tuck it right there. There we go. So that, I'm trying to, for some reason, stick to a kind of a specific color story. I like this Find the Joy in the Ordinary. That might be sitting right there. This might end up being one of those simple kind of a layouts, and that is swell with me. Happy day to you, made just for you, made with love, just for you. Happy memories. Oh, I like the bright white. That's cute. So this one reads, okay, this is what I could do. I might go ahead. That one reads Happy Memories, and this is Trying New Things. We had never been there, so that's kind of cool. I might start getting a little bit on the wonk right there with those wordy bits, because why not? And then Happy Day to You is rather fun and cheerful as well, and I can go right there, and I'm going to pop them up. Calm down. Okay, so we have those pieces that I'm digging. Let me go next into this little bit to see. Let's do this. No, 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 no. Love your smile. Always dream. Good sentiment, but not really the vibe. Gonna bring in that little heart. I told you guys this one's gonna be a little bit more simple, and I think it's fun. This Love You Forever totally works. We'll see. I might just pop in a bunch of florals because the bees need their flowers. Ooh, what does this read? Chase your dream. That's not really applicable to the meadery. At least it's not my dream, so you know. Oh, I forgot. Oh, guys, I used all of the wax seals that came. I like that there, it may be there, so I can have a visual triangle. Yeah, I used all of the wax seals that came in the kit already because I just loved them. Ooh, I really like this little paper clip too. I can put it right there. That would be cute. Okay, now the last thing for me to go through, and this is where we might get our little bit of drama going, is popping in some of these florals and starting to really punch out these clusters. So that all of a sudden looks cute there. This might want to come down here a little bit. I don't know. Oh, I like that one there. So yeah, just gonna have like, it looks like it's going to be a bit of a visual angle situation here. And that is awesome and fine. Want to really see if I can find another piece that is vibing like that one. I like the pink. The pink. It's so pretty. And I like, you know, how it's kind of a wonky, posy looking thing. Let's see if I have that. And if I don't, I mean, I could always cut another one, but we'll just mimic the colors kind of nicely. All right, we did like how that one worked on that curve. So I have that. Let's make sure to bring in just a little bit of that orange. I like that. And then what's it missing? We've got some of the teal, maybe some of that light pink. Okay, there we go. So we've got a nice cluster there. This cluster could use a little something, but if I keep building, it'll go this way, that way, this way, that way. And then we have chaos. Okay, pretty happy with that. Let me pop these pieces in. And I think at that point, we can put lots of our fun sequins in and, oh, and our enamel dots. So let me pop it all down and we'll take a look. See, okay, guys, I am loving it. All I want to do at this point, because there's something about it, you know, it works with a sketch, right? But it's got this really fun simplicity and it's so sweet. And how is it possible that the kit with the papers told the story like that? With the whole bee thing. Super lucky on that. Very excited. So I'm just going to put some of our confetti mix on here, I think. Let me look if I want to do any of my dots because I have the metallic gold. I better do that too. So I'm going to have enamel dots, some confetti goodies, and both of my clusters, and this is going to be done. So let me work on that a little bit. And then I will show you the finished layout. Of course, I will have links down below for the Facebook group, as well as the website so you can get your hands on these goodies, because, you know, why not? And then, yeah, and I'll have still shots. So I think I will, looks like I'm popping these on while I talk to you. And I'll put on, like I said, just a little bit of our confetti pieces. And then we're going to be all done. So still shots to follow, guys. I had so much fun creating this. It feels like this graphic kind of boldness that I am so vibing on. All right, guys, I will see you ever so soon with another video. Still shots to follow. Bye, guys.